Welcome to Cooking with Gringo. In Arizona, taco trucks have better food than most restaurants. In Alabama, taco trucks probably sell boiled peanuts too. Today we're going to make classic stuffed bell peppers. We're going to cut the tops off of the bell peppers. We're going to save the top part for later. On the inside, we're going to cut it out. We're going to cut it right there on that white line. Try to get most of that white out as possible. When we take out the core, we're going to blanch our bell peppers. We're going to set them in here, or set them in the boiling water for 5 minutes. Let them get softened. Now after 5 minutes, we're going to take each pepper out, let it drain, and set it in an oiled 9x13 pan. Now to a skillet on medium heat, we're going to add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add in 1 diced onion and 1 diced jalapeno. Make sure you don't splash it out of the pan. And those bell pepper tops, we diced them up a little. We're going to add those to the pan. And we're going to cook for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, we're going to add in 5 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to cook that for a minute. Now we're going to add in 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to cook this for 5 to 6 minutes or until all the pink is gone. We're going to add in 1 14.5 ounce can of roasted tomatoes, 1 cup of cooked rice. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and salt and pepper to taste. Give that a good mix together. We're going to add in about a half a cup of shredded cheese. I got a mozzarella and sharp cheddar mix. We'll stir that in. Now that we got it mixed together, we're going to stuff each bell pepper. Now to the top of them, we're going to add some more cheese. And we're going to bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees. Now after 15 minutes, it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Pretty darn good. I think adding some garlic powder and onion powder is going to be a little bit better. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.